Are you feeling stressed and trapped by the monotony of daily routine? Have the rigors of your day job, whether you're standing or sitting all day, been accompanied by physical discomfort? Has that daily routine drowned out any sense of novelty and adventure you may have once felt in your relationship? This is Fauve, a 24K gold massage candle. We are dedicated to rekindling the passion in your relationship and encouraging healthy intimacy between partners through massage therapy. Our skin is a sensual organ, and touch is one profound way to connect with your partner. When you light our candle, the natural wax melts into a warm aromatic oil that floods the room with subtle floral and woodland scents. With your partner's senses activated, you are now ready to deliver the final sensation, a soothing and relaxing massage. Our candle is the gift that keeps on giving. Modern massage candle manufacturers have increasingly replaced natural ingredients with chemicals. Chemicals such as sodium lauryl phosphate and parabens. These chemicals can leave sensitive skin dry and prone to rashes. We firmly believe in pure and natural when it comes to skin contact massage products. The Fauve massage candle is formulated using argan, soybean, and coconut oil. These oils contain many vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. As a bonus, we added 24K gold to the massage candle. Gold's natural properties were known even to the ancient Egyptians, most notably the beautiful Cleopatra, who applied a golden facial mask every night. Besides, who doesn't like a bit of gold in their candles? The candle comes in a container that is handcrafted from clay, meaning that each pot is unique. The design of the container is inspired by the pots used during traditional Japanese tea ceremonies and features a spout that's optimized for pouring the oil produced by the candle. If you've been following along, you'll know by now that Fauve is all about nurturing a stronger physical bond between you and your partner. We all like to be loved and touched. Why not remind your partner of your affection with this simple candle?